Hey guys, in this one, I want to show you how to clear the cache, cookies, and history of the Safari browser on the iPhone. So if you're like me and use Safari as one of your browsers, you can see it right here at the bottom. Well, actually, you don't go into Safari to change anything. So let's get out of Safari, go into the settings page. You can see this app right here. So find that on your iPhone, open this, and then we're going to scroll down and find Safari. So Safari is one of the Apple apps, so it will be at the top here. You can see it right here, Safari. So I'm just going to open this one up. Then we can scroll all the way down to the very bottom, and it's right here, clear history and website data. If it isn't here for you, it's definitely going to be in this page, depending on what version of iOS you are on. Could be in a different position, but really just find this link, clear history and website data. So click on that. Then it's going to come up with this warning that all of your history, cookies, and browsing data will be deleted. Now, if you do use Safari often, some of the websites that you currently use and are logged into may be logged out, and also other things that you maybe have filled in, forms and things like that. That's all going to be deleted. So just bear that in mind before you clear your history and data. I'm going to click on this one to clear it. And as you can see, that warning box literally just disappears. And this blue link that was here is now gray, which means all of my history and data has been erased. Hope that short tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, please give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.